correct me if I'm wrong, like how did the 401k come to be? He was telling me a little bit about you and the fact that you created this. And so that's sort of a fascinating thing. How did that come to be?
You know, it was actually passed into law in 1978 without explaining the details and why it was enacted. But Section 401 of the IRS code covers all types of retirement plans. So what this legislation did was it added paragraph K. And no one expected it to be a big thing. It wasn't intended to be a big thing. January of 1980 came and went. So anyhow, I was working with the bank on redesigning their retirement structure. And during that process, I came up with two things that weren't included in the legislation, became key parts of 401k. One was adding an employer matching contribution, and the other was for employees to be able to put money in pre-tax out of their paychecks.
And the 401k is such an interesting thing because now it sort of has taken over pensions, which were so common, right? But correct me if I'm wrong, the idea, at least initially behind the 401k, was to give people a little bit more control over their money.